Hey Nick, what's up? How are you?
I'm good. How have you been?
I've been doing great. So I was on the Achieving the Promise Academy website earlier and just doing some research on it, and I came across something that said coaching for college success. Is there a difference between that and coaching for course success?
Oh, yeah. Thanks for asking. So, yes, here in the Achieving the Promise Academy, we offer a couple of different kinds of academic coaching for students. Students who are interested in working with the same coach from semester to semester to work more on their academic skills, their habits, the mindsets that lead to success in college. They can request a personal academic coach, and we will match them with a coach that they can meet with until they graduate or transfer. I'm curious, when you think of college success, what are the things that come to mind for you? What helps you succeed in college?
I mean, the first thing that comes to mind is definitely getting good grades, especially if I'm looking to transfer in a year. I want to be able to have a good rep at Montgomery College, so that whatever school I transfer to will see my good grades. So will the coaches be able to help me across semesters with that?
Yes, yeah. So one of the great things about having a personal academic coach is that we can meet with you to take a look at what's working for you and what do you want to work on to do better and to help make a plan to do that. So I hear you saying one of your goals is to get good grades. A personal academic coach is going to ask you, what does that mean for you, right? What's your goal in a particular chemistry course, in an English class? And kind of more importantly, what are you trying to learn in those courses? How are you going to practice the good habits that help you really learn that material so that you can be successful when you transfer, since that is one of your goals? And then they'll keep meeting with you from semester to semester to make sure that you stay on track and to help you continue to grow and to build on those habits until you transfer successful.
Okay, so I'm kind of understanding it as if I will have the same coach each semester, right? Or does the coach change at the start of a new semester?
Oh, okay, yeah. So when you have a personal academic coach, you have the option to meet with them as long as you're active in the program, and we would hope until you graduate or transfer. So they will be your coach while you are here at MC. Now, you know that we do also offer embedded academic coaching for course success. And when you take those courses with an embedded academic coach, that's a content expert for that particular class. So if you're taking a psychology course with an academic coach for course success, they're just going to be supporting you in that psychology class. But if you're looking more for that support across all your classes to really help you build those habits to succeed in college overall, you can request that personal academic coach and meet with them until you graduate or transfer.
Okay, thanks so much, Nick. That really cleared things up for me. I'm really grateful that you were able to take this time out and answer my questions.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
Thanks for watching, everyone. If you guys are watching this on YouTube, be sure to like and subscribe for more programs like this from MCTV.